Tini 4 August talni phasalo Joto Christian Dharma Khlai tongnai Lukurok Khlai thangjak Manipur ni Selengmasingcha Patimung no tei tini Karbook subdivision ni Joto Christian Dharma Khlai tongnai Lukurok Karbook hatini simi lahar himbotok himui Dumung Phonokha Manipur ni Patimung no selengjagoi bwrwi rokno respect eba borom rwui Manipur o kwbangma jengjaltei Patimung patiwi tongmarokno India government no koikha Christian Dharma Khlai tongnai takuk bukuk song o Patimung no tei Christian Dharma Khlainai takuk tei bukuk song tamasaka khlainai dei.
This is a silent peace march rally in solidarity with our Manipuri brothers and sisters who are victims of violence, religious violence. So we want peace to be resolved and conflict to be settled. As we are marching now, still the Manipur is burning. However, we demand the government, both Manipur government and central government, to settle down this conflict. And we want every community to be respected, to live in peace, and all religious minorities be protected. I don't have much to comment on this, but the foreign conspiracy we don't believe. But we only want is let peace be settled down, and we don't want to comment much because this is not a humanitarian ground, I would say. But as long as peace is brought up, automatically the state will remain in peace. There is no political affiliation on this, and we are just a Christian minority here. We are showing our solidarity with to our brothers and sisters in Manipur. So there is no political relation in this rally. This is Karbook, the extreme, I would say the border. I am Raymond Bongche, the Parish Secretary of Karbook Parish.
Difficulties and sorrows. So this is our effort to show our solidarity with them. We pray for them as one family, as brothers and sisters, as Christians, as non-Christians. We have come together here to pray for the peace in the heart of each one of us, especially in the lives of our brothers and sisters in Manipur. We continue to pray for them. They are not left alone. Our God promises us, God, Emmanuel, God is with us, and even when they are in the problems, He is with them. Trusting in this, we continue to accompany them in our faith life, also by helping them whatever means that we can. So my brothers and sisters, and I take this opportunity to thank all of you for having come together to bring an awareness that we need peace. A peace that not the world gives, the peace that Christ gives, that God gives. And that is what we need in our life today, and especially our brothers and sisters in Manipur need today. We continue to accompany them, and we also remember in our daily life, we pray for them. In whatever way we can, we will help them, because it is not only their suffering today, it is also our suffering. They are our brothers and sisters. If we left them alone, tomorrow it will be the problem with us. We will not be able to exercise our own faith. Besides faith, there is even the very existence of humanity is questioned. Looking at the things that are happening, the brutal rape and murder and killings, which are not expected from us. and we really feel disappointed, we are anguished, and we pray. We also appeal to the governments of Manipur and the government of India to take an immediate effect, to take an immediate action on the conflict that is happening there so that peace may prevail. We need peace. Let us continue to work and strive for peace. God bless all of us.
Thank you.